Is artificial intelligence a coming storm or a wave of opportunity? In this quick video, we'll explore how AI is transforming the workplace, not by replacing us, but by empowering us. Forget robots taking over the world. AI is about intelligent automation, using algorithms to streamline tasks and make our lives easier. From data analysis to self-driving cars, AI is already here, enhancing our capabilities. While AI can automate repetitive tasks, it creates new opportunities for human ingenuity. The future workplace demands creativity, strategic thinking, and complex problem-solving areas where AI excels as our partner. Imagine having an assistant that anticipates your needs and helps you tackle vast amounts of data. That's the power of AI. Let's embrace AI as a tool to improve our work, solve problems, and build a better future together. Share your thoughts. How do you see AI impacting your work? Leave a comment below.